Hello, hi guys, good morning. Good morning, all. Am I audible to everyone? Is my voice reaching to all? Can I get the responses, please? Hello, good morning. Hi, Divakar. Hi, Nagendra. I hope my screen is also visible to everyone, right? All right, fine, guys. So today we'll see this demo. Okay, how we can integrate ADF with GitHub portal. Okay, with GitHub portal, how we can integrate our ADF. And remember, you can do this demo only if you are having an account in GitHub. Okay, if you're having an account in GitHub portal, then you can do this demo. Okay, so sometimes in our real-time projects will come across with a requirement wherein we have to integrate ADF with the GitHub portal. Okay, so we'll do this demo. Same, exactly similar, we'll do with the DevOps also. Okay, so I'll show with GitHub portal, then you guys can follow the same steps for DevOps. Take that as an assignment, and we'll do this for GitHub. Okay, so what I'm going to do, come to Azure portal, create a blob storage account, ADF, and then link service in ADF, dataset in ADF, and a pipeline. Just put one simple activity control, get metadata, then publish and debug the pipeline. So many things we are doing in step one. Okay, many things we are doing in step one. Okay, so let me go to the Azure portal here. All right. So it is asking to create a blob storage account. Yeah, I'm creating a blob storage account. Let the storage account gets deployed here. Okay, I'm creating a container. Same steps, guys. Okay, I'll take it as source container. Okay, I'll upload some file in it. Fine. Next, I'll create an ADF. I'm creating an ADF next. Data factory. Okay, launch ADF. What it is asking? It is asking after ADF has been created, link service, data set in ADF and a pipeline also. Okay. I'm creating a new link service here. I'll take it as blog. We'll give the name as ls blog storage account. I'll take the subscription. I'll take the source storage account, test connection, and then click on create. Fine. Next, what it is asking us to create a data set also, right? So come here, say new data set, same block, yes, block essay. Okay, fine. Then next it is asking us to create a pipeline. We'll create a pipeline as well. And we'll simple drag and drop one control here. I'd say here get files. Okay. Settings, this one, publish all. Okay. So here after that, I'd say here child items. It's not there. I'll take item name. Okay, see, link service I have created, data set I have created, ADF in ADF, pipelines I have designed. Just put simple activity for any control like get metadata I have taken the same thing, then publish and debugging pipeline. So one child item we have to, I have mentioned it as item name. Now I say here publish all, publish. Okay, fine. Now next step, what it is saying, if already have an account in GitHub platform, then go to the below link. Okay, so I'll just go to this link. Okay, this is my GitHub. This is my GitHub platform. Okay, click on sign in on top right, pass the email ID and password, and then sign in. So I have already signed in. That's why it didn't ask me the user ID and password, but I'm having an account in GitHub. Click on black color icon on top left. Okay, just to come to your dashboard, click on this dashboard here. Okay, so you can click here also. Then click on new, available in green color left side. This one, click on new. Okay. Then pass the repository name. Pass a repo name. What I'm passing a repo name, something like this. ADF repo, ADF repository. I'm passing the name as ADF repository. So this name is available. See, ADF repo is available. Scroll down a little, give the description. My first repo for ADF artifacts. So here I'm giving the description. My first repo for ADF artifacts. Any description you can give here, any name to your repository you can give your choice. Okay. Then choose public private options as per project requirement. Okay. So I'm just going with public only. Here I am choosing public. Check the box, add a readme file, create a repository. Okay, add a readme file and then create a repository. Okay, I'm creating a repo. Now the repo has been created. The repo has been created. Now come to Azure portal, click on Azure Data Factory, choose setup code repository as shown below image, this one. So I'll come here, I'll say here, and I'll say here setup code repository. This is my ADF. I'm clicking here and I'm saying here setup code repository. Fine. Then next what I'll do, okay, click on setup code repository as shown in this image below. Repository type GitHub. What you have to choose here, GitHub. Repository you have to choose GitHub. Click on GitHub here. GitHub repository owner. This is the owner. Just type here because the name in my GitHub portal is this one only. That's why I'm giving the same name, GitHub repository owner name, and then click on continue. Click on continue. Okay. Repository name, what we have given on top. On top, the name we have given as what? ADF repo, right? If you click here, you will get it here. See ADF repo. Right. Then next collaboration branch master. That one already we are having. Then next publish branch ADF publish. This is also already there. Import resource into this branch master. Okay. So here master and then apply. This is what all integration we are doing. We are doing the integration of our ADF with GitHub portal. All the steps I have mentioned, guys, patiently you have to read carefully and you can do it by yourself only. Okay. Wait for some time till the configuration establishes. Okay. Till the configuration established. Then finally click on save. So it is establishing a configuration or it is integrating, whatever you can say it. It is done now. Finally, click on save. Done. Next, what we'll do. Now, if we see on top in ADF, then we can see the master branch and we never make the changes like adding new pipelines or adding new activities in pipelines in the master branch. See, if you notice here, what we are having on top, master branch we are having. Okay, and master branch is the main branch, guys. Okay, production ready branch. So always whenever you are making any changes, you are doing any code addition, we are doing any enhancements, or we are removing anything, whatever we do, we'll create one local branch, we'll make the necessary changes in that, and then we'll go to the we'll merge that local branch with the master branch. Okay, see now if we see on top in ADF, then we can see master branch and whenever make the changes like adding new pipelines or adding new activities in pipelines in the master branch, because this branch is a production ready branch and many people will take reference of this branch. Okay, directly it is not recommended to make the changes in the master branch. What we'll do instead, we'll create one local branch, we'll make all the changes like we'll add the pipeline, whatever it is, blah blah, then we'll merge it with the master branch. Okay, so this branch is a master copy and we never do any testing or direct implementation of this master branch. Instead we create a new branch, we'll do our development in another branch, and when we are confident that everything is implemented properly and correctly, then we'll merge our newly created branch with the master branch or main branch. Master branch or main branch. If we click on the main or master branch knob, then we'll get an option to create a new branch as shown in image below. See, when you click on this knob here, you will get an option called new branch. Okay. So if you come here, click on this knob and say here new branch. Okay, now you are having an option to create a new branch. I'll just create a new branch here. Okay, and I'll give the branch name as what? Practice. Any name you can give, it's your choice. I'm giving it as practice, and then after that click on create. What I'm doing, I'm clicking on create here. So now see, a practice branch has been created. Practice branch has been created, which is exactly the replica of the master branch only. This is the replica of the master branch only. Okay. Now, if we notice a practice branch has been created with this, which is the replication of master branch, carries all the pipelines, dataset, link services, etc. See, this practice branch which we have created now, it has having all the details like pipeline. It is having what all the activities that we have kept. We have kept just only one activity. This we are having dataset. We are having, okay, link service we are having, everything we are having, okay, which is exactly the replica of it. That's what I'm saying here as of master branch. And now in this branch, okay, we can do our development as per the project requirement. Okay, fine. Now create a new pipeline in practice branch. Okay, name, let us take a new pipeline, something like this. Okay, I'll create a new pipeline here. Drag and drop wait activity control in the pipeline canvas. We are having one more activity with a name called wait. Okay, see, I'm dragging and dropping this activity. Okay, wait activity in this pipeline, the newly one what I have created. Wait for 10 seconds. Give the name as wait for 10 seconds. In settings tab, wait time in seconds is 10. You can mention any time here. I'm mentioning for 10 seconds. Okay, click on save all on top. Okay, adding pipeline, this the comments is there for us. Say okay, saving. Okay, fine. Just simple one, new pipeline with the new activity I have added. We never do publish from other branch that we are creating. We'll do publish always from master branch only. What we'll do publish always from master branch only. Okay, same like Azure DevOps. We'll merge this branch with our master branch, with which whatever the development or activities that we have done, then it will get merged with our master branch. Then we'll do the publish. First, we'll do the merge, then we'll do the publish. Okay. Now, if we log into the GitHub portal and see, we are having two branches. Okay. What I'm saying here, if we log in, if we come here to our GitHub portal, okay, and if we say here refresh, okay, then we'll find here two branches. It has been integrated. See, we are having here two branches. Previously, there was only one branch it was showing. Now we are having two branches. What are the two branches? See, we are having master and practice. Okay, master and practice, two branches we are having. I'll just make it. Okay, and here see, pipelines we have added. That pipelines it is going to show. Okay, see, pipeline one is there. If I come here, if I go to practice, it will show here me and another pipeline. Okay, practice was created from master. That's why it is having pipeline one, as well as a new pipeline what we have added just now in practice branch. That is also it is showing. Now it has been integrated perfectly. Link services one we are having, that is what it is showing. Data factory one we are having, that is what it is showing. Data set one we are having, that is what it is showing. It has been integrated perfectly, guys. Perfectly, it has been integrated now. Okay, so what we'll do after this has been done, and we are having here two branches, master and practice branches in ADF repo. Okay, that we have created above, the same as shown below. This is what I'm showing here in the see here. I have highlighted with two. Go to files if you want. You can add the files here also in GitHub. Also, if you want, you can add the files. Okay, like files in the sense pipeline or whatever it is you want to import, you can do it. So now, if you want to make a pull request in order to merge the new activities to master branch, okay, then click on branch knob. Okay, and below we'll get an option to do the pull request. So here we are having an option to do the pull request. So I'll just come here. I'll say here this one and say here pull request. Okay, I'll say here create a pull request now. Okay, what it has done me, it has navigated me to the GitHub to do the pull request. It has navigated me to the GitHub portal. Click on the create pull request, then it will redirect us to GitHub portal. Again, click here to create a pull request. Create a pull request, and then again click on here. If you want, you can pass some comments here, which I have not done. Checking for an ability, pull request has been completed. Now merge the pull request. Okay, see, pass the comments in the text box, merging two branches. I have not passed the comments. Okay, you can pass it, no problem. Create pull request that I have done already. Then after that, merge pull request. Merge pull request. Merge means mixing. Okay, then confirm the merge. Okay, confirm the merge. Okay, then the practice branch, what is there now still? You are having an option here to delete the practice branch. You are all set. You are all set. The practice branch can be safely deleted now. Can be safely deleted. Click on delete branch. That's it. What is going to happen now? The delete branch has been deleted. But the pipeline, what we have created, the activity, what we have created in this practice branch is already been merged with our master branch. Come to Azure portal in ADF, click on master branch, and now here we can see a new pipeline in our master branch. Okay, come here. Okay, come here to your master branch. Okay, and now here you will see two pipelines in your master branch. See, pipeline one and this pipeline we have created with the practice branch. And we are seeing the activity what we have dropped. That is what I am showing here. Okay, click on publish. Okay, okay, say here publish. Okay, publishing is like building, guys. Okay, build. Wait for some time till publish is completed. Click on main or master branch knob. Okay, once it is completed. Okay, super. It is publish has been completed. Okay, next what it is saying, click on main or master branch. Now click on switch to live mode. Switch to live mode. Okay, that's it. And here we can see the new pipeline, this which we have created in this pipeline. In this pipeline means master branch. Okay, fine. This was with the master branch. This was with the practice branch we have created. We have done the merge. We have done the pull request, and then we have come back to the live mode. Okay, and finally we are able to see all the details. Now, if you want to see how all the details from the GitHub portal that we want to see in our ADF, then what we'll do, we'll go to ADF, we'll go to manage, we'll say here one option we are having git configuration, and see here we are having all the details, repository type, GitHub account, dash, repository name, ADF repo, collaboration branch master, ADF publish is enabled, and custom comments is also enabled. These are all the details that we can see that our ADF has been integrated with our what GitHub portal. Okay, see, you have Git enabled in your data factory. Publishing in data factory mode is disabled. Yes, we came back to live mode. Please switch back to Git mode to make further changes with the GitHub platform. Okay, this is how we can integrate, guys. All the details I have given here. Okay, fine. Steps I have given here to see the final integration, like the details inside the ADF studios. Click on manage git configuration, and here we can see the complete GitHub portal configuration details. Okay, same like we are having, guys, for DevOps also. DevOps, how we can integrate, that is what I am showing here. Okay, this is theoretical information. This is all theoretical information, like how I have shown for GitHub. Okay, and from here we are starting same steps. Okay, set up code repository, all the images, all the steps has been given, guys. Take this as an assignment, carbon copy it is. Okay, fine. These are the implementation steps again. No, up to here only, that's it. Up to here only. And from here we are starting a new concept called data flows. Okay, we are starting, yeah, from here we are starting a new concept called data flows. Up to here we are integrating our ADF with the DevOps. Okay, and from here we are starting the Azure data flows. Okay, what is data flow here? See, uh, if you have noticed here, what we have done, we have taken the data. Okay, like, we have done variety of different types of uh, demos or real-time scenarios we have seen, like, taking the data from CSV format and dumping into different destinations, from that destination to again putting into some other place, and formatting the data, converting the types of the files and all, and picking up the uh, choice of files, I can say, like only I want CSV to download, only I want XLSX to copy, stuff like this. In the same way, data flows is also, okay, one of the features, like how we have in ADF. Okay, how we have in ADF, like pipelines, then multiple activities in pipelines. Many activities we have seen in pipelines. For each control we have seen, filter control we have seen, copy data control we have seen, get data control we have seen, and what else? Multiple controls we have seen, and these controls are helping us to fulfill the business requirements. In the same way, data flows is also one of the features of what I can say, ADF pipelines. And here in these pipelines, what I'm going to do, I'm going to perform many activities. What activities, like as if I can say, we can perform here transformations. What we can do, we can perform here the transformations. Okay, so suppose for an example, if you are having data in a file, which is, let us take 100 records. So in that 100 records, some 10 records belongs to India, 30 records belongs to US, and 40 records belongs to UK, something like this. Now your client is saying that only I want to copy, only I want to move the records which belongs to US. Example I'm giving. So like this kind of activities we can fulfill in the data flows. We can fulfill in the data flows. Okay, mapping data flows are visually designed data transformation in Azure Data Factory. Data flow allows data engineers to develop data transformation logic without writing the code. Why without writing the code? Normally we are having many inbuilt controls, many inbuilt activities, you can say controller activities available in ADF, with which it will be easy for us to do the transformations. Okay, the resulting data flows are executed as activities within Azure Data Factory pipeline that use scaled out Apache Spark cluster internally. Data flows activities can be operationalized using existing Azure Data Factory scheduling control flow and monitoring the capabilities also. Mapping data flow provides an entirely visual experience with no coding required. Your data flows runs on ADF managed execution cluster for scaled out data processing. Azure Data Factory handles all code translation, path optimization, and execution of your data flow jobs. So below is the link for Azure Data Flow. For further details, you can get it here from this link. This is basically Microsoft documentation link. Okay, so to perform the transformations on your source data, and then load it into your destination finally. So before loading into your destination, what transformations that you want to perform? Transformation means business requirements. Then you can do with the help of this data flows. Based upon the client requirement, we can choose data flow. Okay, and in data flow, we use the transformations like joins. What transformations? See here, I have mentioned joins, conditional split, exists. Okay, if something is existing or not, union, lookup, etc. Many transformations we can do. The limitations we have in data flow is we cannot connect to data flow from on premises. We cannot connect it with the on premises. Okay, we are having two types of data flows, that is mapping data flow and the Bramling data flows. Okay, mapping data flows and Bramling data flows. Okay, so here I am showing you the implementation steps for the data flow. Okay, in ADF. So what it is saying, create a storage account of type ADL Gen2, create a container inside it and place a .csv file inside it. Place a .csv file inside this storage account. Okay, create an ADF service, link service here, all this stuff. Okay, so what I'll do, I'm already having a storage account. Okay, I just come here. I'm saying disconnect, guys. I'm saying disconnect. Okay, so I don't want to be connected with this integer data factory name. What is my data factory name? It is 1910 Naresh ADF. Say disconnect with the GitHub portal. Okay, so what I'll do now, I will see it got disconnected now, finished. I'll come here and I have one data set already. I have one storage account also that we have created, right? The storage account I have created, and I have uploaded one file also in the storage account. This is done. This is done. Next, it is asking what? It is asking us to create a ADF link service. Pick here delimited text. So link service is also available for us. See, this is the link service available for us. Okay, so this step is also completed. In ADF Studios, click on author, click on three dots, data flow. Here now it is starting. See, in ADF Studios, click on author. Okay, this you will find on the left hand side. Many times we have used this. Okay, you will find it on the left side. This one, author. This is our author icon. Click on this author, left hand side, and then what it is asking, click on three dots of data flow. This one. Okay, and then say here new data flow. I'm saying here a new data flow. New data flow, click on the arrow in pipeline canvas. Okay, this one. Click on this arrow in pipeline canvas. Add source, click on plus and click on join transformation. Add source and then click on this plus and say here join. And using what? Join transformation. Click on join here. Fine. That is what all the steps I have mentioned. Okay, first click on source one. This one. Click on source one. Click on source settings tab. This is your source settings tab. For dataset, click on plus new. Okay. Dataset, click on plus new. Okay. Where is our file? It is in blob storage, right? So don't type Gen2 here. Our storage account is blob storage, not ADL Gen2 storage account. Our storage account is blob storage. So type here blob. So instead of creating a new one, what I'll do, I'll use this one only. This data set only. Okay. Fine. Click on Azure Data Lake Storage Gen2. Continue delimited text. Continue. Name this Okay, link services ls. Okay, for a file path, click on the folder icon, go inside the container and click on .csv file. All this step I am doing for the dataset creation for my source, for my source. Okay, but already I have created a dataset. Guys, getting or not? Getting or not? This I have created already in our previous demo. I am using the same dataset straightforward instead of doing it again. Okay. Now in source settings tab, output stream name. Okay, what I'm saying, output stream name details data. Okay, I'm saying here details data. Where is your output stream name? Yeah, here only. In source settings tab, output stream name as details data. For options, check the checkbox for allow schema drift, inner drift, column type. Okay, for options, it is asking me to check this option. Schema, allow schema drifter and infer drifted column type. Make a validate option enable for data flow. Next, what it is saying, make validate option enable for data flow debug. Acha, this one. Okay, debug time live is, it is taking 1 hour. Fine. Click on OK. Enable this one. Okay. See here, I have given for an hint. Okay, that is what I'm showing here. Make validate option enable for data flow debug as shown in image below. Click OK. Now we can notice here green check mark beside data flow debug option. Okay, hold on. It will take some time. Yeah, see, now we got a green check mark. Green check mark. Okay, you should come like this. It means that you have enabled the debug for your data flow. Okay, this green you have to come. Next, first click on details data. Okay, this is our details data. Data preview tab. Come to data preview. If you enable, then only you can see the data in data preview. Say refresh. You will get your complete data. Just hold on. Yeah, see, you are having the data now in your source, and this data is coming from the file. From the file, see, country, indicator, date, year, value, source, URL, etc., etc. See, plenty of data. This data is actually there in your source files, and you have given that source file as an input to this source control. That is what I'm trying to say. Refresh, click on projection tab, click on this projection tab, detect data type, and here we can see source columns data type and can change if needed. If needed, we can change it. Okay, if detect data type is disabled, I'm not sure. Okay, fine. Just to see the data types schema of your data, you can come here and you can check it. Okay, all right. So like for year past column integer column name etc, all these things. Hence this way we can prepare our source transformation accordingly as per the input type that we have for our data. So in this demo, as this is the very first demo for our data flows, so I have just shown here how we can prepare or how we can, make ready our source transformation. Then what we'll do, we'll use another activities in data flow only to copy the data into our destination. Copying the data to destination, that I am not doing in this demo. Just in this demo, I have shown that how we prepare the data in our source transformation. And if there is any, sorry guys, if there is any condition that we want to add upon stuff like that, then we can do that calculations in our data flow transformations, and then finally we can load it into a destination. Hence we can here we can relate our source files to our source transformation and can analyze or see the data in the data preview tab. That is what I have shown you here. First demo. Okay, next we are having inline data sets in data flow source control in source settings tab. Okay, what is inline data sets? This is what I'm talking about. Okay, now in the upcoming demos, lot of many other scenarios will cover. No worries. Okay, so this is how we'll do. Small demo I have taken as a first demo only now, like how we can use the data flows and what are the different transformations, and all this stuff is available for us. Lot of transformations available for us. See here, join, conditional split, exist, union, lookup, derived column, select. Okay, surrogate key, aggregate, pivot, unpivot. Oh my god, plenty of transformations available for us. Plenty of transformations available for us. Okay, fine guys, is that clear? Now, what is an inline data sets here? What is an inline data set? Inline data sets are sparks. Like whatever the transformation we are doing inside the data flow, they are internally converted to Spark scalar code. What they are doing, inline data sets, whenever we are using, how to use practically I will show. It's very simple only. Then internally that are converting into Spark scalar code. Inside ADF only it is happening, and it will run on the top of Databricks Spark cluster. It will run on top of a Databricks Spark cluster, since it is a driver and cluster code. Cluster code is a group of machine. Instead of running in a single node, it will run on group of machines parallelly, and it will provide the output for us. And it provides the output for us. Inline databases are native to Spark. When we, okay, read this theoretical information, guys. Read this theoretical information. Okay, so remember, okay, don't try to mug up here. Just understand here what it is, and then if it's hard in the interview, you can handle easily. Okay, inline data sets and data sets. Okay, outline data sets that we are having in our data flows. We are this in this demo we have used outline data set only, and now here we'll use the inline data sets. Implementation steps to implementations of data flow with source, filter, and sync transformation in ADF with inline data set. So this demo is going to be good one. Here we are using multiple transformations. Okay, we are using source transformation, we are using filter transformation, and we are using sync transformation. Okay, multiple transformations we are using with inline dataset. With inline dataset. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll come here, I'll just delete all this stuff, and I'll create a freshly new transformations. Okay, okay, so now we'll see this demo implementation steps of data flow with source, filter, and sync transformation. Is an inline data set in Azure Data Factory. In Azure Data Factory, okay. So I'm saying here, create a storage account of type ADL Gen2, create a container inside the storage account, and place a below.csv file in it. So this time what I'm doing, guys, here, see, this is my source. ADL Gen 2 storage account is my source. This is what a source storage account. This is what my source storage account. This time we are doing reverse. We are doing reverse. Till now, in all these demos, okay, from many days, we are taking blob storage account as source and destination as a ADL Gen 2. But now, ADL Gen 2, we are taking as source storage account, and blob storage account, we are taking it as destination. Anything you can take, your choice, anything you can take. Okay, it doesn't matter. This will be our destination storage account. Okay, fine. I'll come here. I'll create a storage account. I'll take it my RG. I'll take the name as 1910 destination storage account, or I'll take like this also, Gen 2 storage account. Okay, Gen 2 storage account. This is my source. Okay, view press create. And it is asking me to upload this file, sales file 2020 USA UK India. Okay, I'll create one container here. I'll take it as source container. This one now. This file I'm uploading. I'm having this file in my laptop. You can download it from the material, guys. If not, I'll share this material again. I'm updating this material, guys, here and then little I'm updating the material. Okay, like if you want it, you can add this material. You can take this material again. It's not a problem. Okay, fine. So in the material, I think might be you are not finding this Excel here, the CSV file here. If you want it, I'll just share this material again. You will find this in page number 105. Okay, fine. So I'll come here. This is done. Next, what I'll do, I'll take storage account of blob storage. I'll create one storage account of type blob storage. And this will be our water blob storage account. 1912 destination storage account. Okay, fine. Okay, it is done, created. Come inside the container and say a destination container. Destination container. Click on create. Step 2 is completed. Now create an ADF. Create two link services in your ADF. One link services is this one. Another link services is this one. This is source. This is destination. And here pick delimited text while getting the link services, and also create two data sets. Okay, in ADF for blob storage account. Okay, and also for the destination. Sorry, for the destination and for the source. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll come here, I'll create a data factory. Okay, let's say here Naresh ADF. Okay, okay, launch the studios. Let us create two link services now. Okay, first one is what? Gen 2. This is our source link service we are creating. Okay, what name it has given? Let us see. ALS ADLSA. Subscription. Carefully here choose your Gen 2 storage account. Okay, create. Okay, blob. Okay, likewise I'll create two data sets also. Okay, I'm creating two data sets. So come to author and say here data sets. New data set is always we are creating, guys, remember. Okay, delimited text. Okay, what name it is asking us to give? This name. Okay, this file. Done. First row as header. Okay, import schema from connection store only. Click on OK. One more data set. This will be blob. What should be the name? Okay, we want to be in this destination folder. Okay, Two data sets we have created, two link services we have created. Okay. In ADF Studios, click on author, three dots, data flow, new data flow, give the name of data flow of this one. Data flow, new data flow, give the name. Click on arrow, add source in source settings tab, output stream name as this one. Okay, add source. Output output stream name as this one. That is what I have given. Source type, click on inline. Yeah, here it is now. Source type, it is inline. Last time we have taken dataset directly. Whatever we have created, that we have taken directly. But here what we'll do, we'll take inline. Okay. Source type, click on inline. Inline dataset type, delimited text. Inline dataset type, say here, delimited text. Delimited text. Fine. Then next, why we are saying delimited text? Because here in storage account we have kept .csv file. CSV file is represented as delimited text, and also in dataset we create a using the delimited text only. Link services, what we are going to use, LSADLSA. LSADLSA. Here only we are having our file kept in this link service. Okay. Click on source option tab. For a file path, click on browse and pick any one of the .csv file. Okay, browse, open, and click on this file, say okay. That is what I'm saying here. Okay, pick any one of the .csv file. Anyone, if you're having multiple files, we are having one file only, that file you have to select. If you're having multiple files in the storage account, then you have to click any one of the file. And if you want to load the data, from multiple files, then select radio button wildcard, and for file name text box pass.csv. So if you want to load multiple files, then select this radio button and then say browse. Okay, for multiple files, but we are having a single file, so select file here. That's it. Fine, and I have selected this file. I'm just still giving you a knowledge byte here. Multiple files, then select the radio button wildcard, and for file name text box pass.csv. Scroll down little in source option tab also. Check the checkbox for first row as header. Okay, so first row as header, this one. Okay, fine. Enable data flow debug. Enable this data flow debug. Compulsory, you have to do this every time, guys. Don't fail to do this. Click on source control transformation, projection tab, import schema, window open right side, and click on import. Okay, let us get this debug enabled. Hold on. Come here, projection tab, say here import schema, say here import. Okay. Okay. So what it is saying here, see now. Click on plus symbol below on source controller. A window will pop up below. Okay, this we have done. Projection tab, import schema, window got open, and we click on import, and we are seeing the data. What all the columns we are having in this So as guys see here, country, year, product type, and sales. If you say refresh, same columns you are going to find it out, and here you are going to see the metadata of that file. See, country, year, product type, and sale. Exactly that for only it is showing here. This is the data we are having in our file. That is what it is showing it here. Fine. Click on plus symbol below on source control. Okay. And then a window will pop up below in that search type filter and select the filter transformation. So come here, click on this click on this plus icon, search here for filter. What I'm doing, I'm using a filter transformation now. Select the filter transformation as shown in below image. If you want to filter any rows, then we'll use this filter transformation. Okay. Click on filter transformation in filter settings tab, output stream name as filter the rows. Filter the rows. Output stream name, I'm giving it as filter the rows. Click on filter on box. Filter on box, this one. Okay. And I'm writing an expression here. What I'm writing an expression, see, I'll say here, I want only to pick up the rows which are having year 2020 and product type electronics. I'm what doing? I'm filtering my data. I want only this much data. I'm having data for year 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023 and all. I want only 2020 data, and that too, its product type should be electronics. This is my condition. Say yes, save and finish. Okay, that is what I mentioned. Click on expression builder and type the below expression, save and finish. This expression can be written purely on .csv file column that we are uploading, and ensure guys, see this year product type, this should be there in your, okay, in your file. See, year is there, product type is there. If this column itself is not there, if you are writing here, then it is of no use. That is what I have given here, a very big note. Okay, click on file, click on filter transformation. Okay, data preview tab. Now if you come to your data preview and if you say your refresh, you are going to see only the data of year 2020 and the product type should be of electronics. Okay, see, only 2020 data we are getting, year 2020 and product type is electronics. But here in the file, if you see, we are having data from many years. Okay, 2020. Okay, and also for many other types, product type, electronics, digital, food items, cosmetics, etc. But what we have done, we have applied a condition saying that product type should be electronics only, and that is what exactly we are getting here. Product type electronics, digital, cosmetics, etc. All those are not coming. That is what I'm trying to say here. Okay, fine. Then next, click on plus symbol below the filter transformation control. A window will pop up below, and in that search type sync, click on sync transformation. Click on this plus and say here sync transformation means a final destination. We are loading the data into destination finally. Okay, click on sync transformation, sync tab, output stream name, sync tab, output stream name, sync data. Okay, for data set, we'll take this one. This is our destination now. So I'll say here ds blob essay. Okay, this is dataset we have created above, publish all. Now I'll do a publish all. By default, ADF will take auto-resolve integration to copy the data from source to target. And if you want, you can even set the integration runtime of our choice as shown in the below steps. If you want to change the integration runtime, you can do it. So it's your choice. Okay. Let the publish gets completed here. Fine. It is done. So it's a small data only. So I don't want to change my integration runtime. Let it be auto resolve only. Okay. So what I'll do now, I will create a new pipeline. I'll give a, these two steps is for integration runtime, guys. I'm not touching it because my file is small only. If you're having a huge file of large amount of data, then you have to do these steps. Okay. So I'll create a new pipeline. I'll give the name. Okay, run data flow. Drag and drop the data flow activity or control. Data flow activity. Data flow. Yeah, I dropped it. Then click on data flow activity, name as run data flow. Give the name as what? Run data flow. In settings tab, data flow. In settings tab for data flow, here we'll give the data flow name, this name. See this name, df data flow. Fine. Publish all. Refresh the page. If publish all is succeeded, okay. Publish all. Publish. If publish all is succeeded, run on Azure integration runtime if it is needed. Come to pipeline, click on the data flow control, setting tabs, and here logging level, choose basic radio button, publish all, publish. Okay, let this gets completed here. Hold on. Done. Close. Then if it is succeeded, run on Azure integration runtime. I'm just taking the default one only. Come to pipeline, click the data flow control, settings tab, data flow control, settings tab, and here for login level, choose basic radio button. For login level, choose here the basic radio button. That is what I'm trying to say here. Publish all, publish again. Okay. Now, if we want the file name in our destination blob storage as per our choice, then come the to data flow. Click on sync transformation. Okay. Hold on. Let this publish gets completed. Done. Come to data flow. Come to sync transformation. Okay. Click on sync transformation. In settings tab, come to settings tab here. File name option. Name file as column data. File name option. Name file as column data. Okay. And then column data. Choose any column. Choose any column. Let's take it as country. Okay. Publish all. Come to pipeline. Publish all. Publish. Okay. I want the file name as country in my destination. In my destination file is not there here. See, if I come here to my destination storage account, see, file is not there yet. Now the file will come with the detailed requirements, whatever we want. Okay. Debug, and now we can see our file in destination blob storage account as per the file name we want. Come to pipeline, say here debug. Now see the magic. Here you will get the file with a name called country. It is just running. Hold on for some time. Okay, success. Okay, it is successful. It is succeeded now. Come here and you will find your file. India, UK, and USA, column wise. If you see this one, you are going to have, see the data for India, for UK, and for USA. If hence that is completed, that is hence using data flow transformation, we have inserted and dumping the data into the different targets by application filters as per the business requirement. Now, if you want all this in one file only, that I'll show in the upcoming demos. Okay, three different files we have inserted or we have created in our destination, right? If you want to put it all in one file only, that I'll show in the upcoming demos, guys. Okay, fine. So next demo we are having select transformation, guys. Select transformation, we are having the next demo. Please take this as an assignment and complete this demo. Same steps only, nothing change. Okay. Do this demo. Okay, next we are having aggregate and sync transformation. This I'll show in the next class. Okay, in next class I'll show aggregate and sync transformation demo. Okay, is that clear? All good. I'll stop the class here now. Tomorrow we'll start our class with this aggregate and sync transformation. All right. Any questions, anyone, before I close the class? Come to your data flow. Come here. Okay. Here. Country India, we have not filtered. We have filtered the year and product type. Here we have filtered. Okay. No worries. No worries. Practice it slowly. When you do again and again, you will get to know slowly. At the beginning, when you are seeing it for the first time, it seems very complicated. You feel like you can't do this, but definitely, sorry guys. So definitely you can do it for sure. The only thing is you have to be dedicated. You have to keep practicing. Files, yeah, this is good question, Pranil. I'll just upload the material. Okay, here you will find the material, all the files. Okay, guys, everyone, please download this material from this link. Download the material again from this link. Everyone, please quickly. Everyone downloaded? Guys, I'm upgrading the material little bit here and there. It's better if you take this one, what I have posted just now. Okay. All right, guys. I'll close the class for today. Okay. Yeah. Thanks, everyone, guys. And tomorrow we'll continue from that topic. Okay. Sync and aggregate transformation. Bye, everyone, guys. Take care.